Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Cash App to use Cash App card payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Cash App, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Cash App. Press the search button to find the application. Look for the Cash App icon, which features a green background and a white $sign. Tap on the Cash App from the search results. On the app page, click the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Cash App by tapping Open. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. After entering your information, tap Next. You will receive a confirmation code via text or email. Input the code to verify your account. Once verified, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. You may need to link a debit card or bank account to use Cash App card payments. Follow the instructions to enter your payment information. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the Cash Card section. This is where you can order your physical Cash App card if you haven't already. After ordering, you will receive your Cash App card in the mail within a few days. Now you're ready to use Cash App card payments seamlessly. Explore the app to discover other features and services available. Enjoy using Cash App for your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.